Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into the minimalist lifestyle by talking about 7 essential things that every minimalist should consider buying. Now, I know minimalism is all about living with less, but these are the items that can actually enhance your life and bring more value to your daily routine. Let's get started. The first thing is a quality wristwatch. A quality wristwatch is more than just a timepiece. It's a statement of style and efficiency. For a minimalist, it means having a reliable way to keep track of time without the constant distraction of checking your phone. Choose a design that's timeless and versatile so it can complement any outfit and occasion. Not only does it reduce the need to pull out your phone constantly, but it also adds a touch of sophistication to your look. Look for watches that have interchangeable straps to switch between casual and formal styles effortlessly. A well-crafted watch can last for years, making it a sustainable choice in the long run. Additionally, many minimalist watches come with features like water resistance and durability, ensuring they withstand everyday wear and tear. Embracing a minimalist approach means focusing on quality over quantity, and a wristwatch is a perfect example of an item that brings both function and form into your life. The second thing is an e-reader. An e-reader is a fantastic investment for those who love reading but want to cut down on physical clutter. With an e-reader, you can carry thousands of books in one sleek device. It's perfect for minimalists who appreciate the joy of reading, but prefer to keep their living space neat and organized. Many e-readers come with adjustable lighting, making it easy to read in any environment, whether it's bright sunlight or a dimly lit room. Additionally, e-readers often have long battery life, so you can go weeks without needing to recharge. This convenience means you can immerse yourself in your favorite books anytime, anywhere, without worrying about running out of power. E-readers also offer features like note-taking and dictionary lookup, enhancing your reading experience without adding extra bulk. They support various formats, so you can access a wide range of content, from novels to newspapers. Plus, they reduce paper waste, making them an eco-friendly choice. By investing in an e-reader, you embrace a minimalist lifestyle that values both functionality and environmental consciousness. Moreover, some e-readers are waterproof, allowing you to read by the pool or in the bath without worry. They also often have customizable font sizes and styles, catering to your personal reading preferences and ensuring a comfortable reading experience. The third thing is a reusable water bottle. A high-quality reusable water bottle is an essential item for any minimalist. Not only does it help reduce plastic waste, but it also encourages you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Look for a durable, insulated bottle that keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature, whether hot or cold. By choosing a reusable water bottle, you make a conscious decision to minimize your environmental footprint. Many bottles come with features like leak-proof lids and built-in straws, adding convenience to your daily routine. They are available in various sizes and styles, ensuring that you find one that fits your personal preferences and needs. Additionally, using a reusable water bottle can save you money in the long run, as you won't need to purchase disposable bottles frequently. Some bottles are even equipped with filtration systems, allowing you to enjoy clean and safe drinking water wherever you go. Investing in a reusable water bottle also means you always have water on hand, reducing the temptation to buy sugary drinks. The health benefits of staying hydrated are numerous, from improved energy levels to better skin health. By incorporating a reusable water bottle into your minimalist lifestyle, you prioritize both your health and the planet's well-being. Lastly, many reusable bottles are designed to be easy to clean, making them a practical choice for everyday use. The fourth thing is a minimalist wallet. A minimalist wallet is designed to hold only your essential cards and a bit of cash, eliminating the bulk of traditional wallets. Look for a slim, durable design made from quality materials like leather or metal. This way, you can easily carry it in your pocket without any discomfort or bulk. Many minimalist wallets also come with RFID blocking technology, protecting your cards from digital theft. Some designs include a money clip or a small pocket for coins, adding extra functionality without compromising on size. A minimalist wallet encourages you to streamline what you carry, making you think twice about holding on to unnecessary items. It's perfect for those who want to keep their pockets light and their belongings organized. Additionally, minimalist wallets often have a sleek, modern look, making them a stylish accessory. They come in various styles and colors, allowing you to choose one that fits your personal taste. By investing in a minimalist wallet, you embrace simplicity and efficiency, two key principles of the minimalist lifestyle. The fifth thing is capsule wardrobe pieces. Building a capsule wardrobe involves selecting a few essential clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. Focus on high-quality, timeless pieces like a black t-shirt, a pair of well-fitting jeans, and a classic blazer. This approach not only simplifies your wardrobe, but also ensures you always look stylish with minimal effort. A capsule wardrobe saves you time in the morning, as you won't have to sift through a cluttered closet to find something to wear. It also encourages you to invest in quality over quantity, choosing pieces that are durable and versatile. By having fewer but better items, you reduce decision fatigue and the stress of keeping up with fashion trends. A well-curated wardrobe means you can create a variety of looks with minimal pieces, making packing for trips much easier. Additionally, capsule wardrobe pieces tend to be neutral and classic, ensuring they remain in style for years to come. This method also helps reduce waste and promotes sustainability, as you are less likely to buy and discard fast fashion items. Ultimately, a capsule wardrobe aligns with minimalist principles by focusing on simplicity, functionality, and intentionality in your clothing choices. Moving on to number 6, we have noise-canceling headphones. These headphones are a game changer when it comes to creating your personal oasis of calm, whether you're at home, commuting, or working in a noisy environment. They utilize advanced technology to block out unwanted sounds, allowing you to focus better on the task at hand or simply enjoy your favorite music or podcasts without distractions. For minimalists, noise-canceling headphones are more than just a luxury. They're an essential tool for enhancing your auditory experience while maintaining simplicity. By investing in a pair of noise-canceling headphones, you eliminate the need for multiple devices or accessories to achieve the same level of tranquility. Additionally, these headphones are designed for comfort, with features like plush ear cushions and adjustable headbands ensuring a perfect fit for extended wear. Some models even offer smart features like touch controls and voice assistants, further enhancing their convenience and functionality. Overall, incorporating noise-canceling headphones into your minimalist lifestyle is a smart choice for optimizing productivity, relaxation, and overall well-being. Let's move on to the final item on our list, which is the simple, stylish backpack. This item is a must-have for any minimalist, as it serves as a versatile and practical solution for carrying your essentials. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or embarking on a weekend getaway, a reliable backpack is essential. Look for a design that balances functionality with aesthetics, featuring clean lines and minimalistic details. Compartments are crucial for keeping your belongings organized, so opt for a backpack with multiple pockets and compartments. This ensures that everything has its place, reducing clutter and making it easier to find what you need when you need it. A good backpack is like a trusty companion, always ready to accompany you on your adventures without weighing you down. It's the epitome of practicality, allowing you to stay prepared and mobile without sacrificing style. Plus, investing in a high-quality backpack means you won't have to replace it frequently, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. With the right backpack by your side, you can tackle your day with confidence and ease, knowing that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. So, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the great outdoors, a simple, stylish backpack is an essential accessory for any minimalist. And there you have it, folks. 7 essential items that every minimalist should consider adding to their collection. Remember, minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices that add value to your life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit from these tips. Comment down below with your favorite minimalist essentials, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.